Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video in my new series on how to grow a successful online community in 2021. So as you're probably aware, it's extremely difficult to grow a channel these days it's all as YouTube is very saturated as well as other platforms such as Patreon. So in this video I'm going to show you some alternative methods and another platform which I think you will find very beneficial because it's certainly been very beneficial to me. So if you like and subscribe to this channel, I will be taking this brand new channel from 0 subscribers to 10,000 in less than 6 months. So I hope you will join me on that journey. And I will be doing that by using the alternative methods which I am going to show you in this series. So what most people don't know about YouTube is fundamentally a search engine. And just like other search engines, they work on a thing called SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. And one of the key components in SEO is a thing called backlinks. Now, backlinks are basically just how many other high quality websites and channels are pointing back to your content. Now, Google values backlinks highly and will rank content with more backlinks over others because, well, if a certain video or website has a lot of high quality backlinks, then that must be good quality and popular content. So what I'm also going to show you in this video is how to take advantage of other platforms out there similar to YouTube and how you can get other content linking back to your YouTube channel. So to follow along in this series, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to learn how you can grow your own successful online community in 2021. So now I'm going to switch tabs to this website here. It's called Pompeii. I would also just like to quickly point out that I am not affiliated with this website in any way and I am not sponsored. I just really believe that you can truly use it to help grow your channel in 2021 as I have had quite a lot of success with it so far. So now I will show you what my profile looks like. So I will type in my name here using the explore section. Here I am, grow online, visit profile. So this is what the profile looks like to viewers who have not signed in or subscribed to your profile. As you can see, it looks very similar to Facebook or Patreon. Um, Standard banner, which you can customize, standard profile picture, username and tagline. Here, viewers can enter their email and be alerted every time you upload a new video or article. Standard 3-tier system, bronze, silver, or gold. This is all fully customizable. I can edit all the rewards which my viewers will get if they were to subscribe, and I can lock videos to a specific tier system. So if I upload a video and want that to be to my high-end viewers, I could make that gold, or if I want everybody to see it, I could just make it free. There is no limit. You could have them all free or you could have them all gold. It's completely up to you. Here, your viewers can send you a message and you'll receive that directly on your dashboard. Again, you can limit that to subscribers, or if you're like me, I just leave that free so anybody can message me. So now I will show you what it looks like when you've actually set up your account and fleshed out your profile a bit. Here I'll log in. So this is what it looks like when you're actually signed in. Pretty much the same as before, but with the addition of this side box, which allows you to pretty much edit everything on your profile. So change your profile picture, banner, edit your bio, byline, uh, upload a video or create an article, and I can edit the categories on which my profile fits into. So now I will show you what the dashboard looks like. This is where you'll manage your account from. Here there's information on how much you're earning per month and your total account value. Here's a chart on how much you made this month versus the previous month. It's quite a nice little interactive graph. Um, Here is some information on incoming subscriptions. Now, if I had any outgoing subscriptions to other profiles that I'm subscribed to, I would also see them here, but I don't. Um, and here is just some information on my withdrawal history. So, as you can see, I have 0.0032 Bitcoin in my account, which is worth which is worth $186.18. I can withdraw that at any time. As you have seen in the past, I have made withdrawals, but I like to build it up a little bit before I do. Um, Currently, I have subscribers, and the total value of incoming subscriptions per month is $53. Um, and I have had uh, 96,547 profile visits to my profile. Now, if I wanted to withdraw my balance, all I have to do is click the withdraw button. And here, I have two options. I can either withdraw directly to an external Bitcoin wallet, or I can withdraw to my bank or PayPal. Now, this does both options. It's pretty simple, and they do not take a fee, unlike Patreon and some other platforms. Now I'm back on the dashboard. Down the side here are some quick links to some other analytics. So my withdrawal history, um, my my transaction history, just some support and FAQ. And here's a link to the conversations. So the different messages that have been sent to you. I won't click it though because I don't want to show any private information or private conversations. Here is a link to the explore section. So again, here are just some videos of other creators on the platform. There's a very simple drop down. I'm not entirely sure if you can see this because I'm only recording the screen, but here you'll be able to select from the many different categories on the website. So now I will show you some other things on the profile. So how to actually upload a video. So here on the right, you click upload video, choose a file. Now I don't know if you can see this because again, I'm only sharing my window and not the entire screen, but I will find a placeholder video just to show you. Let's have a look. Here we go. So that's uploaded pretty quick. Just wait. And that will be done in a second. Mm, Okay, here we go. Finished. Click confirm. So here it is now. Here you can actually edit the video. So this is the video I've just uploaded. You know, cool little placeholder video. Here, you can download the video if you wish to. Some basic information about the video. I can change the title. I can upload a thumbnail. Um, Again, you probably can't actually see this window. But here we go. I'm going to select this placeholder image. There's a preview of the thumbnail. Now here I can either make it free or I can attach it to either one of these subscription levels. I will make it free for now. There we go. And here we can attach it to a category. So I will add this to beauty, uh, lifestyle, or something. I don't know. Let's see, travel. Doesn't really matter. Click update. Okay, nice. So then now the video has successfully updated and it is on my profile. Here we go. I will show you what it looks like to a logged out user. So I'm just hitting the website or your profile. Here we go. So scroll down and there it is. Click to watch. And there is your video. It's very simple and again, people using the website will come across it in the explore section, which exposes you to more potential viewers from around the world. And again, I find it way easier to grow on this platform. I've had way more success using this platform than I have on other ones such as, well, YouTube or Patreon. Now, I would recommend also having a YouTube channel because you can make one video and upload it on both, and I promise you, you will grow way quicker with the addition of this platform. Um, Also, what people don't truly understand about YouTube is it's a search engine, just like Google, and search engines are based on a heavy component in getting ranked on a search engine is backlinks, and you can create backlinks from your Pompey profile to your YouTube channel or videos, which will uh, increase the ranking of your YouTube videos on YouTube as well. So not only are you getting more viewers from this platform and then potentially subscribing to your Pompey profile and you earning money from this, but you're also increasing your ranking onto YouTube as well, which I have found pretty handy. Um, so I will show you quickly how to actually set up an account. So here on the home page, you can click create account. There are two different account types. One is a creator account and one is a fan account. Um, you want the creator account, not the fan account. The creator account does cost £3 a month, which is like $4 if you're in America, uh, which is basically nothing for the value you truly get from this platform. Also, you do get 200 free Pompeii tokens, which is their cryptocurrency, which you can claim once you've made your account, which you can hold or sell. You can do whatever you want with, because that's how crypto works. Um, and you get all these rewards. Click get started. Follow just the basic account setup instructions. Fill in your username, email, password. Then you'll be asked to verify your email and then put in your card information, and then your account is created and you can get started from there. Now I hope this video has been helpful to you. Um, I'm starting a new series on how you can grow a successful online community in 2021. Uh, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.